Navigating Ramadan, a beginner's guide to fasting. Are you prepared to start your journey during the most holy month of Islam, Ramadan? Imagine the crescent moon shining in the night sky as millions of people get ready to observe a fast that lasts from sunrise to sunset for a whole month. While it's a time of both physical and spiritual strain, learning to navigate the customs and rituals of Ramadan may seem like a difficult undertaking for those who are unfamiliar with the practice. Have you ever pondered how to balance managing this experience with fulfillment? Do not be alarmed. With insights, advice, and a healthy dose of enthusiasm, this beginner's guide will serve as your compass during the month-long fast, making sure that your Ramadan experience is not only unforgettable, but also incredibly fulfilling. Are you prepared to jump right in? Knowing the true meaning of Ramadan. Ramadan is a comprehensive approach to self-discipline, spiritual introspection, and community building that entails more than just giving up food and drink. Fasting is a way to cleanse the soul, cultivate compassion for others who are less fortunate, and fortify one's relationship with God. Committing to Ramadan requires an understanding of its complex meaning. One of the 5 pillars of Islam is fasting during Ramadan, which symbolizes surrender to God's will. Given that Muslims all across the world participate in this act of devotion, it represents their unification. Beyond promoting spiritual development on a personal level, Ramadan simulates the experience of individuals who skip meals on a daily basis, which cultivates empathy. The rituals of suhoor and iftar. During Ramadan, suhoor and iftar are the 2 primary meals that define everyday life. Suhoor, the meal served before sunrise, is a filling and healthy feast that lasts all day. Organizing a well-balanced suhoor is essential to effectively completing the fasting hours. Include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to guarantee a gradual release of energy throughout the day. Whole grains, eggs, yogurt, and fruits may all be examples of this. Conversely, iftar signifies the conclusion of the fast at dusk. It is customary to break the fast with dates and water, and then have a filling supper. The iftar table is adorned with grilled meats, veggies, and a range of traditional delicacies. These customs highlight the social component of Ramadan, while also providing nourishment for the body. To promote solidarity and fraternity, invite friends and neighbors to join in the joy of breaking the fast. Tips for proper hydration and nutrition. During Ramadan, it's critical to stay hydrated, especially during extended fasts. Including fruits, vegetables, and high-protein foods in your meals helps you feel fuller for longer. Sugary and processed meals should be strictly avoided since they might cause energy dumps. Drink plenty of water during the hours you are not fasting, but when it comes to suhoor and iftar, choose meals high in water, such cucumber and watermelon. Seeking individualized guidance from a healthcare expert can be advantageous, particularly for those with certain dietary requirements or medical issues. They may offer advice on how to keep a healthy diet during a fast and make sure that all dietary needs are satisfied. Accepting spiritual activities. Beyond the material side of things, Ramadan promotes more spiritual activity. Crucial components of the path include reading the Quran, doing the nighttime Taraweeh prayers, and asking for pardon. Fasting is a time for introspection, self-improvement, and increased spirituality. It's not just about giving up food. Make time every day for prayer and introspection. Think about participating in the mosque's collective prayers or establishing a virtual connection with others to share a spiritual experience. During Ramadan, the nocturnal Taraweeh prayers provide an opportunity for greater introspection and social interaction. Handling business and fasting. Managing job obligations during a fast might be difficult for many people. Talk freely about your religious devotion with coworkers and superiors. Make the most of the post-suhoor energy surge by arranging lighter jobs for the late afternoon and planning your workload well. During Ramadan, employers are usually flexible, creating a welcoming atmosphere for all staff members. Examine the possibility of working from home or modifying your schedule to allow for relaxation periods and prayer times. Many places of employment welcome diversity and encourage staff members to practice their religion throughout this holy month. Getting in touch with the community. The spirit of camaraderie and community is one of the mainstays of Ramadan. Make an effort to connect with your family, friends, and neighbors in order to promote togetherness. Plan collaborative iftar events, provide recipes, and share stories. Getting involved in the community helps to deepen the connections that make Ramadan a really uplifting and communal time. Think about planning iftar gatherings for the underprivileged, or taking part in community volunteering initiatives. Giving back strengthens the community spirit throughout Ramadan and emphasizes the value of compassion and empathy. Maintaining virtual communication. Technology in today's globally interconnected society enables us to maintain connections even when we are physically separated. Utilize digital platforms to participate in virtual prayer meetings, exchange contemplations, and establish connections with loved ones, particularly those who may reside far away. Online get-togethers offer a chance to appreciate the oneness that Ramadan brings while bridging geographical gaps. Using social media to create an online community may also serve as a source of motivation and encouragement. Talk about your experiences, ask for guidance, and support other people who are fasting. Even when there isn't any physical connection, the virtual world may strengthen the sense of community. Conclusion. As this film comes to an end, consider your forthcoming Ramadan adventure. Which facets of dedication and self-discovery are you most eager to experience? During this holy month, how will you practice compassion, thankfulness, and spiritual development? Talk with our expanding community by sharing your ideas. What are your go-to rituals for having a happy and meaningful Ramadan? Your thoughts and experiences broaden our understanding as a group while also strengthening our bonds with one another. Remember to subscribe for more enlightening information on this spiritual path. We appreciate you being here, and we wish you a peaceful, joyful, and delicious Ramadan.